Welcome to my One Paella channel. I'm Jay and today we're cooking the beef and peas paella. The ingredients for the beef and peas paella are paella rice, onion and garlic, chopped tomatoes, beef, peas, our paella spices, paprika, saffron and paella mix, and of course our beef stock. So let's start making this beef and peas paella. First, let's cook our beef tips. Let me take this opportunity to remember that you can get all the equipment and all the recipes that you need to make a fantastic paella at iwantpaella.eu. We have the paella kit, which is the pan, the burner and the legs. We have the ingredients, we have Spanish wine, we have Spanish beer, we have barbecues, we have barbecue accessories, and we have paella accessories. So don't miss out and come visit us at iwantpaella.eu. Let's add our onion and garlic. Alright. While that cooks, we're gonna add the saffron threads to our beef stock. Our beef stock, I've warmed it up before. I've warmed up our beef stock before we started making the paella, and I just added the saffron threads into the stock so they dissolve, and we're gonna use it later. Let's move this onion and garlic for a bit. There we go. Looking nice. All right. Let's add our chopped tomatoes. All right. 2 spoonfuls. It's nice. There you go. Let's add half a teaspoon of paprika. There you go. And let's add half a pack of our paella mix, available at a store iwantpaella.eu. So we used the other half before, we're gonna use the other half for this recipe. And let's mix it up. See, when you mix the tomatoes and the paprika and the paella mix, you come up with this lovely color. Then when we mix it with the stock, it's gonna bloom. You're gonna see. Let's add 300 grams of paella rice because we're making 3 portions. Let's mix it up a bit. It's time to add 900 milliliters of beef stock. Mix in. Inside of the stock are the saffron threads. So let's pour it slowly, slowly. There you go. Lovely. At the same time that we're doing this, let's bring our paella burner power up to 100%. We leave a bit at the end in case we need it. Alright, let's take all that rice that is on the side and put it inside the stock. Alright. We're gonna give it a little shake. All those ingredients get mixed up and uniform on the pan. Alright, at this point we're gonna turn on our outer paella burner ring. Starting to boil properly, we're gonna bring our paella burner power down to 50%. And now it's a good time to add our peas. Slowly, let's distribute it evenly throughout the pan. First, when serving, and now with a bit of a shake. There you go. It's a good moment to add a bit of salt. Beef is already salty on its own, so don't add too much, even though we're trying to counteract the sweetness of the peas. Okay, our rice have been cooking for a bit, so it's a good time to try the rice for the first time with a clean spoon. Okay, that rice is around 40%, so we have a long way to go. Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon in a different place. Our rice is around 60%, so we have a bit to go. And let's try the rice for the third time with a clean spoon in a different place. In the middle, for instance. Okay, our rice is around 80 to 85%, so we're gonna leave it for 2-3 minutes. Don't forget that we are at 30% of the paella burner power. Okay guys, I've turned off our paella burner. I'm gonna give it the last shake and then we're gonna bring it to our kitchen counter. Alright. Okay guys, so we have our beef and peas paella. I'm gonna serve it on a plate now so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Let's serve today's paella. bit of beef, few peas, and a whole bunch of rice. There you have it, a proper plate of beef and peas paella. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this beef and peas paella. Don't forget to visit us at iwantpaella.eu. Thank you and see you soon.